Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be sharing my 1-month experience with the Honor 400, a phone that blends power, design, and an incredible camera setup, all at a competitive price. I've been using it daily for the past month, and in this video, we'll talk about its display, processor, storage, battery, camera, and overall value. Let's get started. Starting with the display, the Honor 400 features a 6.55-inch flat AMOLED panel that supports 1.07 billion colors and a 1264 by 2736 resolution. It now comes with a 120Hz super smooth refresh rate, making every scroll, animation, and transition feel fast and fluid. Whether you're gaming, browsing, or watching videos, the difference is immediately noticeable. And let's not forget its 5000 nits ultra-bright screen, one of the brightest in this price range. Even under harsh sunlight, visibility remains crystal clear. Colors are rich and balanced, blacks are deep, and the flat design gives it a clean, premium look without accidental edge touches. Overall, it's one of the best displays you can find in this segment, both vibrant and ultra-responsive. Under the hood, the Honor 400 runs on the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset paired with the Adreno 720 GPU. In real-world use, this combo performs beautifully, whether you're gaming, editing videos, or multitasking between multiple apps. Games like PUBG, Call of Duty, and Genshin Impact play smoothly at high settings without thermal throttling. It runs macOS 9.0 based on Android 15, which feels clean, modern, and well-optimized. The interface is fast, animations are fluid, and app switching is instant. For daily tasks and gaming alike, the setup offers a strong mix of power, efficiency, and stability. The Honor 400 comes in 3 variants: 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage, 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage, 12GB RAM plus 512GB storage. Storage speeds are fast, and Honor's memory management lets you keep multiple apps open without slowing down. After 1 month of heavy use, everything still feels as smooth as day one. That says a lot about optimization. Powering the phone is either a 5300 mAh or a 6000 mAh battery, depending on the variant you choose. The European variant comes with a 5300 mAh battery that supports 63-watt wired charging, while the global variant packs a larger 6000 mAh battery with support for 80-watt supercharge, capable of charging the phone from 0 to 40% in just 15 minutes. However, the charger isn't included in the box for the European model, so you'll need to purchase it separately. Still, with its large battery capacity and fast charging options, the Honor 400 stands out as a true battery champ in its price category, easily lasting a full day or more even with heavy use. Moving on to the cameras, the Honor 400 features a 200-megapixel main lens and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. Photos look detailed with natural tones and strong dynamic range. The AI camera system intelligently adjusts color and exposure for professional-looking results. One standout feature is the image-to-video AI, which automatically creates cinematic short clips from your photos, perfect for quick social media posts. The rear camera supports up to 30 times digital zoom and records 4K video at 30 frames per second, delivering stable and sharp footage. So here's some photos that I took with the Honor 400, and I've got to say, the photo quality really impressed me. The images come out nice and sharp, with good details and natural colors. Even in low light, the photos look clear and well balanced, which is something you don't usually expect in this price range. The 50-megapixel front camera also records in 4K, producing crisp, natural selfies with excellent color balance, ideal for vloggers or anyone who loves capturing moments. After a month of testing, I'd say the Honor 400's camera performance easily rivals some flagship devices in daylight and even low light. The Honor 400 is available in Desert Gold, Meteor Silver, Tidal Blue, and Midnight Black. All look elegant and premium in hand. Starting at €499, this phone offers incredible value: a bright 120Hz AMOLED display, powerful Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, big battery with 80-watt charging, and a stunning 200-megapixel camera. After a full month of using it, I can confidently say the Honor 400 is one of the most balanced and complete mid-range phones of 2025. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this review or found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech content coming your way. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.